So we're gonna go in here and get some practice counting in Samoan. I knew how to count in Samoan when I was a kid, but I didn't have that immediate word association. Like if I was to say Eva, I would have to go, oh, 9, okay. I was elemental P with it, but now I got the word association and I could just say the number in Samoan and I know exactly what it is. So when I worked out, I would only count in Samoan, and then after a while, like the word association is there. Kasi, lua, kolu, fa, lima, ongo, fiku, valu, iva, sefulu. Another way to get a good understanding is to count backwards. Sefulu, iva, valu, fiku, ongo, lima, fa, kolu, lua, kasi. When you count numbers that's higher than 10, you're going to say the number in the 10 spot, then you're going to say 10, and then you're going to say the number. Like 21, lua sefulu tasi. And then 100 is going to be selau. You say how many hundreds you have, then you say selau, or the 100. Then you say how many tens you have. If it's only 1 10, you just say sefulu, which is 10. Then you say what's in the 1 spot. Kolu selau sefulu lima. I'm winding down here. I'm going to try these weights of selau. 100. Kasi, lua, kolu, fa, lima, ongo, fiku. Yep, that's it. Learn Samoan and meet your health goals at the same time.